In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix sync paused error in Google Chrome. Go to the right corner of Google Chrome and click on three dots, menu icon, and from drop-down menu select Settings. In Settings menu, look at the left-hand side and click on Privacy and Security, and scroll down and click on Site Settings. In Site Settings, scroll down to find Additional Content Settings and click on it to expand menu, and scroll down again until you find On-Device Site Data and click on it. Scroll down below to save your data on your device, click on Add, and type in accounts.google.com and then click Add. If problem persists, after adjusting site data settings, you may need to clear all cookies and data. Go to Privacy and Security section, click on Clear Browsing Data and ensure that all time is selected. For time range, press Clear Data and choose Google Chrome and reopen it to check if sync pause error is resolved and your account remains signed in.